everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have my sister Heather here with me, and she is going to be doing my makeup today. So there's like 70% of my makeup stash is sitting right here on the table in front of us, and she's going to just go through it all and pick out some products and put them on my face. But disclaimer,
I have never done makeup before. Like, I only do my makeup and I only wear mascara and lip gloss or lipstick or whatever, and I do my brows. So
she never does foundation, concealer,
I don't
powder.
know how to do this, and it's probably going to be a wreck. Alright, step one. We're going through all this makeup, and I'm pretty sure step one is primer.
I already have moisturizer and lip balm on.
And since I've watched her do her makeup multiple times, I think I somewhat know how this goes, so. Is that too much?
No, I'm not telling you. I can't tell you anything. She used the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer.
That. Yeah, that's definitely not going to be enough.
It's a blend.
Huh?
I see it blend. Yeah. I rub it because I use my fingers.
Alright, that looks fine. Is that fine? Is that so weird?
The mirror's over there, but I can't see it. I'm not going to look at anything until she gets done with it.
Alright, step two. Foundation. So which one of these is... There we go. It's too light. It's too dark. I don't think I'm going to mix them together. Alright, so I used this Wet n Wild Coverall Cream Foundation. And this is in Fair Light. And then I'm going to mix it with some LA Girl Longwear Illuminating Foundation. And it's just in white, I guess. Yeah. Oh wow, that's way too white. That might not be. Yeah, it's way too white. I told you this is going to be a disaster. We're just going to go with this. I put like a big streak of oh, I just got all over your shirt. Where? Right here in your shirt. I told you this was going to be a disaster. I'm out of foundation already because I wiped it on your shirt. Ooh, sorry. Alright, so this is the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral. You gotta do the nice triangle. And then you gotta do a triangle. When did you do powder? I feel like you do this at RMC powder.
RMC.
RCMA. Alright, don't put that in the video. And then you bake. Is this the brush you use for this? Yeah, it's for blush. This big powder brush. Oh no! Oh my goodness, no. Alright, now I feel like we have to prime the eyelids for shadows. Alright, this is Nude Matte Ulta Beauty Eyeshadow Primer. It's a lot of primer. Alright, do you bake primer? Let's get this all off your shirt. It's all over your shirt if you didn't notice.
Oh, look at my arm!
Powder.
Look at the powder!
Look at me. Oh, this was a black shirt.
I feel like you ignored this side of my face completely.
I can't see it. Oh, yeah, it looks like I did. No, it actually looks okay. I'm going with this browner shade and darken up the crease.
I don't know what you did, but...
Oh my goodness, why did that turn out so bad? Oh wait, that's okay, because you can bring it up to your brow. This is the BH Cosmetics Neutral Eyes palette. Alright, so I think I'm going to go in with this. Let's try this one. That's going to be bad too. There's some pink right here. I'm just going to go with this. Alright, so let's highlight the inner corners of your eyes. I'm going to use this butter Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So you got a bronzer brush or does this work? I feel like this does not work. Ouch. Alright, let's try some blush. Where's the highlighter? Ooh, let's just use this as highlight. Can you do that? Where's a fan brush? Nope, that's not gonna work. Where's the highlighters gonna go? Here's one. There we go. Now we're gonna brush the crap out of all this mess. And blend, 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 blend. This is not the look I was going for. Alright, let's go get the makeup spray. At least let me know if I do this in the right steps.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh,
that's wet.
Alright, let's find some brow stuff. Ooh, wait. We have liner. I don't feel like I'm gonna fail it.
Oh, that was so bad.
Don't move. Don't move. I'm so sorry.
That was my eyeball.
I almost nailed that wing. If I hadn't tried to do that last thing, I would have. Don't look. Don't look.
I'm not looking. Okay.
Oh, that'll be good.
I'm actually warm. Smells.
Right. Alright, there we go. I think that's it.
Okay. Let me look. Wait, let me get a better mirror than that. That one doesn't add work. Just wipe it off. Wait, let me zoom in. That's one eye.
That's the wrong one.
That one's good. There's a little like dot there, but that was, and then there's sparkle.
Yeah, I missed part of your lip. I feel like I missed part of your lip.
This little bottom part.
That's because I wiped it off. Cause it...
Kind of missed. There's a contour. There's a bronzer line right here. I don't know if you can see. There's a dark line right here because she tried to use darker eyeshadow. It was like 3 or 4 shades.
It was that one.
It was this, the third one.
No, it was that one.
No, you meant to use that one, but she meant to use the second one. It looks like a good high shade, but she used this darker one and it left a line.
I feel like I failed.
You didn't do that bad. You did
The
good on this
bar
eye.
The
You
bar
had a really
was
good
pretty
idea going.
Really?
Well, that completes this Sister Does My Makeup video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All my social media links will be in the description box and also the link to Heather's YouTube channel.
I do song covers and I post a few beauty themed videos sometimes, so check them out.
Please comment on what video you would like us to do together next, because we're wanting to do collab on more videos and do some more stuff together. So please comment, tell us what you want to see from us together, and please give this video a thumbs up, and thanks for stopping by my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Video, I had my sis. You have lipstick on your teeth. You still have lipstick on your teeth. That scared the crap out of me.
Look this way, look down, then this way, towards the wall.